All right, this is August the 27th, 2019. This is a progress video for Springdale project, and this is Force McGee, and I just wanted to show you guys real quickly. We got the last coat of poly on the floors last night, and I just want to do a quick little walkthrough, show you guys how much this house has changed. So you can see that we got the stairs all poly. So now, you know, what's left of this house, right? So you can see it looks beautiful. So now what's left? Oh my gosh, right? It's the first time I've been up here. So what's left of this house? So now we've got trim, right? So we got to go around with a quarter round, and then once we get all that done, then we'll be able to get the last little punch on painting, and then we'll be done. So this is where this floor got too thin. We can see that that's where the wall was, and so we've patched that in. That looks good. And then floor turned out great. I mean, there's just something about old hardwood floors with the character that this stuff has. So you can see some of the staining and some of the patina, I guess you would call it. Maybe I'm wrong. But you can just see how beautiful it is. You can still see how it's kind of wet, so be careful. But I mean, that's what's gonna sell this house right here. This little character on these floors. And let's see. So the shower enclosure is gonna be a wall of glass here, and then a wall of glass here. That's in. I just got to go pick it up. But as you guys are already aware, I can't lift anything right now. So waiting for some strong men to be available so I can go get that in our truck and get it over here and get installed. The vanity top arrives today. We had the plumber come in and get everything ready and valved everything. So we're good to go with that. That's about it. I mean, this house is coming together quickly. So we'll get all these lights turned off, and then we'll go back downstairs. And we finally, we're really close on this job. Really, really close. So windows are closed. We had a problem with windows the other day. So that's all good. House, man. This little house been a little longer than I thought, but this little house is coming together right. I guess when you got to do things a certain way, sometimes it takes a little bit longer. And so, let's see here. Closet floor got done well. Let's see. Let's go look at the kitchen. Let's go around here, look at the rest of the hardwood floors. So, toilet got installed. Had a little problem, but nothing that water and soap can't fix. That's valved off. Plumber had to break off and then that's done, plumber had to break off because we had to get the poly done so we could get this floor cured. So let's see what we got. So this floor is done, looks beautiful. I don't know if you guys remember this section, but this whole wall right here was completely damaged. It's amazing how pretty it turned out. And then we even got like the floor in there done. So it's beautiful. Man, this house is turning out nice. So this floor is done. Everything is done. Just trim. Okay, so kitchen. So kitchen time. Let's talk about the kitchen. Granite gets installed on Friday. The window they gave me is 2 to 5. So appliances coming tomorrow. So that's the dishwasher. That is the range. This is the refrigerator. Obviously the sink. This panel right here is sitting in that cardboard box, and then that can get trimmed out. That's a panel that comes from the cabinet manufacturer. So that just hasn't been done yet. And that's it. So this house is that far away. All right. And this, another thing we got done is the landscaping. I gotta show you guys that. That makes this house look good. All right, let's go. These cabinets are pretty nice. You know, they're all the wood, so they're not soft close, but hey, that's all right. So, you know, let's see what we got going on here. So that's a lot of the old bushes. We got the mulch there. We got the little walkway back. We got all that cleaned up over there for the most part. And one thing that was pretty cool, I don't know if I showed y'all in another video, but we had to paint this white because it was green. All right, that was a pain in the butt. But this one right here, this one we left the wood color because it just looks beautiful. So we went ahead and left that, made sure that you know, added some character to this house. And so let's see, what do we got? So we got the mulch there. We yanked out all these overgrown bushes, and now we've got this nice clean house. Just looks beautiful. So there you go. We got to pressure wash the brick, and you can see it's all got to get pressure washed down in there. And that mortar was matched to the house, but it's hard to tell because everything else is so messy. And so we got all the bushes, all the stumps, and now we're just gonna, and then over here on the side of the house we got that cleaned up too, so that was all overgrown. So yeah, this house is coming together. You know, keep watching because this house almost done and it's gonna look great. All right, so thanks a lot. Appreciate you guys staying tuned. Watch the other videos on this house to see how this house came together. All right, thanks, bye.